Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn a very useful Excel trick how to calculate someone's age using their date of birth. Whether you are managing a list of employees, students or any other data set, this method will come in handy. Let's dive right into Excel. First, make sure you have the date of birth data ready. In our example, we'll use column A for the names and column B for the dates of birth. Step 1, select the cell where you want the age to be displayed. For this tutorial, we'll use column C. Step 2, enter the following formula in the first cell of column C. Here B2 is the cell with the date of birth. Today gives the current date and Y calculates the difference in years. Step 3, press enter and you'll see the age appear in the cell. Easy, right? But we can also calculate the age more precisely, including months and days. Step 4, to get the age in years, months and days, use this formula. Step 5, press enter and you'll see a more detailed age calculation. This formula breaks down the age into years, months and days, giving you a comprehensive understanding of the time elapsed since the date of birth. And that's it. You've successfully calculated age using a date of birth in Excel. This technique is incredibly versatile and can be customized to fit your specific needs. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Excel tips and tricks. Also, leave a comment below if you have any questions or if there are other topics you'd like us to cover.